Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Course Hero subscription. So basically there are three methods by which you can cancel your Course Hero subscription. The first method where you have originally purchased, like if you have purchased your subscription on iPhone, you need to cancel your subscription on iOS store or App Store. If you have taken your subscription on Android device, you can cancel your subscription on Play Store. If you have taken your subscription on their official website, then you need to cancel your subscription on their official website. So in this video I'm going to provide you all three methods. So the first method for iPhone users, first of all you need to open your settings and then you need to select your Apple ID, then you need to select subscription. Now you will see there is a list of your all active subscriptions. You need to select Course Hero app and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have taken your subscription on Play Store, so how you can cancel? So basically you need to open your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon. Then it will pop up a new window like payment and subscription. You need to select this option. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select app, Course Hero app, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. And the third method, by using their official website. First of all you need to visit on the official website, and once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of option when you tap on your profile icon. At the just side there is a button also like membership. Your membership also available on this top side, or you can select setting option. And once you select setting option, you will see your list of, you can select your active subscription, you can select your subscription and you can cancel, you can downgrade or upgrade your subscription by using these ways. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.